Welcome. If you want to add or change the title of a group admin in Telegram Web on your PC using the latest update, you're in the right place. Giving your admins custom titles is a great way to organize your group and highlight each admin's unique role. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open Telegram Web in your browser and log into your account. Once you're in, navigate to the group where you're the owner. Only group owners have the ability to change admin titles for themselves and other admins, so make sure you have the right permissions. Next, look for your group in the chat list and click to open it. At the top right corner of the group chat window, you'll see 3 dots. Click on them to open the group menu. From the drop-down, select Edit. This will take you to the group settings page, where you can manage various aspects of your group. Inside the group settings, find and click on the Administrators option. This section lists all the current admins in your group. Browse through the list and click on the admin whose title you want to add or change. If you want to set your own title as the owner, you can do that here as well. After selecting the admin, you'll see their admin rights and permissions. Scroll down to find the custom title field. Here, you can type in any title you want, whether it's moderator, tech guru, or something more creative. You can use up to 16 characters, including emojis, to make the title stand out. Once you've entered the new title, click Save to apply the changes. The custom title will now appear next to the admin's name in the group member list and above their messages, making it easy for everyone to identify their role. And that's it. You've successfully added a custom admin title in your Telegram group using Telegram Web on your PC. This feature is perfect for keeping your group organized and giving recognition to your team. Try it out and give your admins the spotlight they deserve.